Hello everyone. In this Pondicherry travel guide, we are going to share our experience and help you have the best possible visit. चला तर मग पाहूया आमचा पॉंडिचेरीचा प्रवास. Early morning by a car we started towards Pondicherry, which is 150 km away from Chennai, and that was 2 hours travel journey. Anyone from any corner of the world or India can travel to Chennai by any preferred travel mode. From Chennai, train, bus, private car, cab services are the options to reach Pondicherry, and from Bangalore there is also a direct route to Pondicherry, and it's 7 to 8 hours travel journey. And the best time of visit is November to January if you want to avoid heat exposure. Day 1, so after 2 hours journey we reached White Town. We suggest you to book your hotel well in advance if you are traveling on weekend and looking for beach facing stay, and that too at White Town only for a day to get the European feel of old little France. When we traveled it was weekend, and luckily with 1 day prior booking we could have Villa the Ocean, which is located on Roman Ronald Street in White Town. We got freshened up and headed towards Paradise Beach. It is 8 km from the town. They say there is only one way to access this beach, and that is backwater boat ride from Chunambar Boat House. The route is mesmerizing, no doubt. But again, it was a busy weekend and it was too crowded, guys. We did not get place to park our vehicle also. And for maximum precautions in current COVID situation, we thought of avoiding boat ride and decided to explore another road with the help of Google Map. We were not at all sure about that road. But as soon as we reached nearby, we saw some travelers like us and we could directly reach to beach side. As soon as we reached, beauty of region amplified with the retreating monsoon shower, and then it was all about pleasant weather. What else we can ask for? I mean, it was all about time to relax on the fine grains of golden sand and listen to the gushing sound of water currents. And yes, some photo shoot also. Post Paradise, we paved the paths in White Town. French architecture, sunny yellow buildings, and old-fashioned lamppost give it an European feel. I mean, a perfect place to unwind. You can relax in cute cafes, drink good coffee, and simply relax for hours or read books. It's usually packed with weekend guests snapping photos for social media. And yes, how we could forget to click our sassy pics. Here we are. Now we will see special eat-outs. Café de Art, a French cafe. I would say it's a photo poser's delight. Cafe Ecstasy, famous for thin crust cheese pizza. Zuka for chocolates. Eat My Cake for croissant, Baker Street for delicious pastries and bakery food, GMT for dessert, Suruguru for spicy South Indian food. Check out as per your preferences. We also visited local famous tea shop. अगदी बरोबर. चहा विसरून कसं चालेल आपल्याला. आणि मग नंतर Promenade Street, Duplexis statue, the statue of Mahatma Gandhi, and local market on the same day. Tada! Day 2. So next day again we hopped on few cafes. You can rent a bike to roam around, but I prefer to walk as I could go about posing against every wonderful wall. We visited Promenade Beach, which is also known as a rock beach and well famous for sunrise and sunset. It's a long stretch of rocky beach with benches and wide pavements. So you can sit here for long hours looking at waves crashing on the rocks and relax with your loved one. The next part is Auroville. A giant gold dome in countryside is undeniably spectacular. For meditation, you need to book at least one day before your visit. But we felt so satisfying gazing it from the viewpoint only at such a peaceful place, and it just made our day. We had food while returning and traveled to Ashok Beach Resort, which is beautifully positioned right along a beach. A sea facing resort wherein you have an easy and exclusive access to Kalapit Beach. Wonderful time. Next morning, I had my yoga routine at beach, and post breakfast, we started our return journey towards Bangalore. आय होप तुम्हाला आमचा हा व्हिडिओ नक्की आवडला असेल. तर मग वाट कशाची पाहताय? लाईक, शेअर आणि सबस्क्राईब करा. विल सी यू सून. टिडल्स.